What's up guys, it's Daniel Patrick here, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to claim 200 B coins on the B app. Alright, I'm going to teach you how to claim that 200 B coins and add it to your B coins portfolio. Alright, so but before we begin, I want you to hit that red subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss out whenever I create video like this. Alright, if you're new to the channel, be rest assured that the future of money is here. You came for the content, but try as possible to stay for the community. I'm going to go ahead right now and start this video by clicking on this profile section. Alright, I'm going to click on the profile section and I'm going to select this very one that says event center. Alright, and once that loads up, we're going to click on this very one that says B Network X account hits 500k followers. Alright, so once you just click on that, I believe you have Twitter on your phone. If you don't have Twitter, you can go to Google Play Store and download that. It's easy to download that. Just go to Google Play Store or your Apple Store. Alright, if you're using an iOS device, Apple Store. If you're using an Android device, Play Store. Alright, if you don't know how the app looks like, this is it right here. Alright, this is how it looks like. Alright, and what you just have to do is to click on it and download Twitter. Okay, once it opens up, just click the search bar right there and type in Twitter. Alright, and once you search for that, it's going to lead you to this very place right here that says X. It's now known as X. Alright, but we know it as Twitter. We are more familiar with the word Twitter. Now, if you haven't also joined B Network, I would strongly advise you to, because I see a great future with this very free cryptocurrency we are mining right now. Alright, so just type in B Network in the search bar right there, and you're going to see this very coin right here that says B Network. Mine is actually asking me to update, but that's it. I'm going to update it after this video. Alright, but you're going to see a blue install button right there. You're going to just click on that and automatically your app would install. Alright, the install button looks like this, but this very one is an ad. Alright, don't pay attention to this. Alright, so this is how the install button looks like. Alright, so that's what you're going to click on right here and your installation will begin. Once you install that, make sure you use my invitation code Danisaint. Alright, if you use that, you get some Bitcoins for joining the B Network free crypto mining project. Now I'm going to head back to the B app, and right here we are asked to follow a couple of Twitter accounts to earn our 200 B coins. Alright, so I'm just going to click on this drop down arrow right here. If I click on that, then I'm going to perform this task step by step, one by one. Alright, and we're going to do that by clicking on this drop down arrow right here. So I'm just going to click on this drop down arrow and then click on follow, and automatically this would redirect us to Twitter. Alright, you need to, like I told you, after downloading your Twitter, you create an account, as simple as ABC. So this app is actually integrating with our Twitter account right now. If you're doing this for the first time, it's going to ask you to type in your details and head over to your Twitter account. Alright, it's not going to ask, not like it's going to steal your password or anything. Alright, so as you can see here, it says welcome, you can now follow them. So I'm just going to click on this black follow button right here. Alright, I'm going to click on that. I'm already following them and I'm already a follower, but if you're doing this for the first time, this follow button won't be displaying as following, but right now I'm already a follower. So that's it for that. I'm just going to head back by clicking on this cancel button right there, and just click on that and click on verify, and as you can see, it's checked green. I'm going to click on the drop down arrow again and click on retweet. We're going to be asked to retweet a post actually on this platform X. Alright, let's see the post we're going to be giving to retweet. Again, it's integrating with the Twitter or X app. Alright, and let's wait for it to integrate. And voila, this is the post we are meant to retweet right here, which says time to celebrate believers. We just hit 500 followers on X. Let's boost B Network Powerful community by tagging 3 of our teammates, empower the Beehive, and share the achievements. So I'm just going to click on repost. Alright, the black repost button, and automatically that's going to repost these very posts in our profile. Alright, it's automatically done. As you can see, this is checked green, meaning that you just retweeted this very post. So I'm going to click on back again, the cancel button at the top right hand of our screen, and then come over here and click on verify again. Alright, to verify that we've actually carried these tags, and as you can see here, this is checked. This is checked right there. So I'm going to click on like on Twitter and click like. Alright, whether or not you perform these tasks when you were retweeting, please try as much as possible to still click that very link, all right? Because the app wants to integrate with your Twitter app to make sure that you actually carried out these tasks, all right? It's going to give us the like button right now, which we are actually going to click on right here. See it right here, and I'm going to click on that like button right now, and boom, we just liked the posts. As you can see right here. Okay, I'm gonna go back right now again and then click on verify, and last but not the least, we're going to click on comment on Twitter. Just click on that drop down arrow and click on comment on Twitter. Now, among all the tags I've seen, this is one of the easiest tags you can perform. Twitter tags, that's one of the easiest. All right, someone asks you to provide your NFT card and stuff like that. All right, that's the one I usually don't do. So it says we should comment time to celebrate believers. We just see 500k followers. I'm just going to type yes, this is the kind of progress we all want. Congratulations to all believers worldwide. Full stop. As you can see, yes, this is the kind of progress we all want. Congratulations to all believers worldwide. All right, I'm now going to go ahead and click on this verify button. Not verify, actually, reply button at the top right hand corner of my screen. All right, after I do that, this is going to integrate, and it says your post was sent. View. I'm not going to view that because we don't really have time to view that. So what I'm going to do next is to click on that cancel button right there, or back button, to head back to the B app, and then we're going to come over here and click on verify. All right, let's see how that goes. And yeah, you have completed all steps of this event. Please wait for the draw. All right, now we're hoping that by the time the draw is over, let me just click this arrow button right here, we're going to receive 200 Bitcoins right there in our wallets. And how do you see your rewards? All right, I forgot to add that. I almost forgot to tell you about that, but I'm going to be telling you right now. This is how you see your reward. Just come over to, we're going to head back right now. Head back again, and then we're going to click on wallets. All right, so we're going to click on wallets. After clicking on wallet, we're going to click on rewards. And as you can see here, I once earned 51 B coins from participating in one of these events. All right, so this is where you actually see your rewards, and the blockchain section is where you get to see the USDT you've also earned. I think it's actually in the world. I don't really know because I've not received the USDT on this app before, but I'm going to check. You're actually going to see it in one of these blocks, either on the blockchain section or in the reward section. All right, so this is how it works, guys. So this is it, guys. This is basically how you earn rewards on the B Network Event Center. All right, this is not just how you earn Bitcoins, but USDT and other coins on the B Network Event Center. Again, you just have to come over to this profile section. All right, just come over to this profile section right here. On that, the next thing you're meant to do is to click on the Event Center. All right. And once you guys, it's going to lead you to this very page that will show you a list of events you can participate in. All right, so I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, do me a favor by clicking that like button. Also subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, most importantly, so you don't miss out whenever I create videos like this. All right, I create videos on how to mine free cryptocurrencies, B Network, Pi Network updates, Ego Network updates, Core updates, Omega Network, and the like. So if you're really pumped up about videos like this, then make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss out whenever I create videos like this. To stay updated with the community and know the latest happenings in the crypto community, I would urge you to like our social media handle or follow our social media handle, which is Facebook, Telegram, and WhatsApp. All right, so you stay updated about the latest happening, and so you also learn about some crypto terms which you would not be taught ordinarily by crypto enthusiasts. So this is the video I have for you guys. I made your crypto guide, Daniel Patrick, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.